Hey guys, I'm back with another video and I decided to show y'all my 2-day hair. This is me right here, okay? Like, yeah. Don't look too bad, not too shabby. Still got some definition in my curls. But I'm gonna do, I guess, a get ready with me video. I don't know. Anyway, I'm trying to make this video as short as possible. So watch me freshen up my curls. First thing I'm gonna do is take my ponytail out. And this is 2-day hair. Haven't done anything to it. Normally I just spritz some water and then brush it back up. So still kind of good, right? A lot of good curls. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is my spray bottle. Put a little bit of water, loosen it back up, and definitely loosen up all that mousse that I had put on the other day. Okay, and now that we got it nice and fresh, what I'm gonna do is a kind of a hairstyle I do sometimes when I want to kind of update my hair a little bit, make it look like I did a little extra to my hair. Gonna just take my comb. Doesn't matter what kind of comb you got. You really don't even need a comb for this, but I do use a comb from time to time. Basically, you just wanna, to me, I actually think it looks better when you don't use a comb. I'm just gonna take some hair around like a half moon, okay? And we're gonna pull all the rest of our hair back into a ponytail. Alright, so we got this out of the way. Alright, I'm gonna take all this. We're gonna comb it back just a little bit. Alright, just a little bit. Not too much. And then we're gonna take another hair. It's better if you have a small one. We're gonna take another one and we're just gonna go about halfway, okay? And gonna put that ponytail holder on there. The smaller and thinner it is, the better it looks, but you know I can't find my little ones right now. Okay, so we're gonna take that, then you're gonna leave it like that. Actually, don't do it like that. Go like this. Halfway, okay? About halfway. And I'm sorry if y'all hear somebody saying, whoo, whoo. It's my neighbors, okay? Got thin walls, thin walls. Okay, so now we got that out of the way. This is gonna be a cute little hump, you know? Hey. Hey. Okay, anyways. Now, I still haven't went to the store and got my hair mayonnaise. So, yeah. I'm stuck trying to use something on my hair. I don't know what I'm gonna use. So anyways, and I think I used the rest of my mousse. So hold on, I'm back. Okay guys, I'm back. Found some mousse. Okay, so I'm gonna have to use this mousse. We're gonna take this ponytail back out. All right, I know I probably look on really rough with my hair, but I'm not. I got mousse and it won't come out. So what am I gonna do? There it is. All right. Sad thing is that can is almost full. So we're gonna put some mousse again all over our hair. Then we're gonna take our brush and make sure you get this piece out of the way, okay? We're gonna brush our hair up into a ponytail. I like really high ponytails, so I'm gonna do a nice high ponytail. And kind of try not to brush the ends of your hair because you want to kind of keep them curls. And that's going to help this style, and it's going to help it blend better. But if you do, don't worry about it because we have our water bottle. We can freshen it back up and make it look like something, okay? So we're going to go really high ponytail. And take your ponytail holder. And now you got your high pony, okay? You're gonna fluff that out. And now you're gonna go back to this piece that you had before. You're gonna fold it down like this. So you catch what I did? It's my ponytail. This is my piece. You're just gonna fold this down. So you got all this loose hair. Remember we back combed it. So now you're just gonna fold it over. Okay? And then you're gonna take a bobby pin, hair pin, whatever you call it. And you're gonna go right in behind that ponytail holder. And you're just gonna bobby pin that loose hair down. Right behind there. I like to do two. Okay. Now that you got that done, you're gonna put your ponytail like that. And you're gonna take that loose hair and you're just gonna add it in, fluff it into your ponytail. Now we gotta go back and touch everything up because it's not there. Okay. So you got this. And you want this to look good and sleek. So I really wish I had my hair minis. This mousse. Am I the only person that have a problem with this? I don't know. I think I'm probably the only person. I think I'm probably the only person. So I'm gonna go back in with the mousse. Touch up these edges. Touch up these edges. Because that's the only way this ponytail is gonna look good. And we're gonna hit that, okay? And we want to catch some of those ends. Okay. Sorry, y'all. I'm trying to look in the camera on my phone and not in the mirror, so it's kind of weird. We're gonna fluff that out a bit. Go back. Swoop that over. Swoop that over. Fluff back out that ponytail. Yes. Yes, yes. You see that, ladies? You see that? Cute, simple style. I love ponytails. This is to bring your ponytail up a notch, okay? And now I'm gonna just do a little bit of something to my face, bring everything together. But first, gotta get all this mousse off my hands, so I'm gonna wash my hands. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Okay, I washed my hands. And now I'm just gonna do a little something to my face because I feel like I'm gonna be a little cute today, ladies. Okay. Yes, some edges is laid, honey. Alright. So I'm just gonna take some of this. And I'm gonna take some of this. I'm gonna put it on my hands, ain't all the way dry. Okay. Put a little bit of this lotion in my hands. And I'm not a professional at all. I do not wear makeup like that, ladies, okay? So I've had this for probably longer than I should. It's been over a year, like 2 years, and this is how much I've used out of it. So I'm gonna take, oh, that's too much. Just a little bit, okay? And then we're gonna mix it in with this lotion. Can you see that? Mix it in with this lotion, or your face cream, or your primer, or whatever you put on your face, okay? Your moisturizer. All right, we're gonna mix that all in. It's mixed in. You see that? Y'all see that? Okay, and then we're just gonna dab, dab, dab. All right, then we're gonna rub it all in. I know I probably look real crazy to y'all, but I don't know how to put on makeup, so, and I think I put way too much lotion. Too much lotion, because I normally use my face moisturizer, but I couldn't find it because I think I'm out of it. I think my husband low-key be using my stuff, so just rub that all in. All right, way too much lotion, way too much lotion. Okay, anyways, just brought a little color into my life, you know. I just want to make sure you rub all that in real good. Hey, do y'all see a difference? Because I do. Maybe because I don't wear makeup like that. Now I'm just gonna take this pencil, because I normally let them like arch my eyebrows and tint them for me, honey girl, but we on a budget, y'all. So this is for my budget ladies out here. We living a life on a budget, honey. So I can't do this. My hands is slippery. Okay, I'm back. So this is like a little retractable pencil. This color is dark brown. I like dark brown better than black. So just got this little mirror, okay? Mirror. And so I'm gonna do my eyebrows for y'all. I don't know how to do those well either, but to me they look good. Okay, y'all see? These are my natural eyebrows. They're growing fairly good, but very thin to me, so just try to make them look full. So what I basically did was just kind of draw my top line and my bottom line, and then light strokes to fill it in. Okay, a little thicker than what I would like, and I kind of can't see my little arch, but it still look good to me, so I don't care, because I'm not perfect. Nobody's perfect. Your face don't need to be perfect. You just need to accentuate your face, ladies, okay? Accentuate. Bring out your own natural beauty. Don't be trying to be out here looking like somebody else. Did I say broody? Your own natural beauty, okay, ladies? Don't be out here trying to look like everybody else. Be yourself. Look good being yourself, okay? Facts. Trust. You don't know how many compliments I get when I don't even do nothing. They be like, oh my God, you're so pretty. And I was like, for real? For real? Ain't even do nothing. Ain't even do my hair. Ain't even try to look good. Be yourself. And I know a lot of people gonna come for me. I don't even care. Did y'all see how she did her eyebrows? Oh my God, she used a pencil. Oh my God, they ain't dark. Oh my God, they uneven. Guess what? I don't care. Come for me, honey, because guess what? I'm confident in myself and I know I look good. Now let me stop talking to y'all so I get this other eyebrow done, because I think this one is way too high. Way too high. Okay. Fill that one in. See? It's ugly. But to me it look good. To me it look good. I feel like sometimes I do this better than other days. Some days be way better. Some days don't be. But you know what? At the end of the day, as long as I like it and I think it look good, that's all that matters. So I'm happy with them. You know, they look regular, nothing special. Don't look like I went and just got them fresh wax and nothing like that. You know. So let me find my top. Put my top back on. I like this pencil, but I don't like it. I like it that I don't have to have a sharpener that I lose, but I don't like it because it's never sharp. But it's still an investment. And then I'm just gonna go up again a little bit because I be liking to have lashes sometimes. I think it's situating your eyes, brings out your whole face. So just gonna go in a little bit. And do a little something to my lashes. Again, I don't care if y'all come for me because I don't know how to do this. I watch people on YouTube, you know what I mean? But to me it's kind of scary, so I just put it up to my eyelashes and blink. Come for me. I don't care. It works for me. Sometimes I know, you know, I can go like this. You know? But I'm good. See? Now I'm done. So, ladies, you see how quick and easy that was? I went from looking throw it away to looking put together in probably less than 10 minutes. This is a quick, easy, cute hairstyle. Oh, 18 minutes? That was a long time. But bye, ladies. See you next time.